People are stupid. Look at that. This is funny! Animal crackers. Let's see. Did they let that happen? Animal cracker sex. This is gonna get like 6 million views on YouTube. I don't know if I should savor this or eat it. I think I'm gonna savor it somehow. I don't know how. I'll find a way. But, yeah. I found that funny today at work. I bought like one of those dollar, big bags of like animal crackers, and that's what came around. Animal cracker sex. Yeah. That's gonna get like 6 million views tonight. Oh my god, animal cracker sex. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to tell you. News to the world. So, people are stupid. Yeah. I still need an intro.